JT on the track again.
What's up, y'all? Today I'm finna be doing a milk bath nail tutorial. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but yeah, I'm trying to get back into these videos. Those are my nails, nice and prepped, and we're gonna get started. First, you'll need a nail primer. That's the base gel for your nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that base gel to every nail. So right here I'm using the Beetles Polygel base gel. I'll link everything that I'm using in this video in the description. All of this stuff was purchased on Amazon, so hopefully you guys can find it and it'll be easy. After I've applied my gel, I'm going to cure it in my mini nail lamp. So for this milk bath nail, I'm going to be using the Savvyland Polygel kit. It is a glow-in-the-dark polygel kit, and the colors do come out to be white. So they are white in the daytime, and then at night they glow blue and green. Also going to be using the Beetles Clear Polygel to encapsulate my flowers for my milk bath nails. From the Savvyland kit, I'm going to be using the blue-green glow-in-the-dark color for my milk bath nails, and this color comes out to be white when you cure it. I'll link those in the description. And here is my crystal kit that I'll be using to put some jewels on my kit. So it has a wax stick, some jewels, and then a picker. Also, you're going to need some 90% alcohol as your slip solution to dip your brush in so that it can mold the polygel. And here is the brush that comes in the Savvyland kit. Today I'm using dual forums, and I have already picked out my sizes, and these come in the Savvyland glow-in-the-dark kit. So first I'm going to take the polygel, take the little plastic piece off, of course, and then I'm just going to squeeze a little bit into the dual form and spread a thin layer across the dual form. As you can see here, you see me dipping into the alcohol. That just makes the brush wet, so the polygel is easy to move around in the dual form, so you can spread it easily. And I apologize if some of this is out of focus. I was just using a lamp in my room because I don't have any lighting right now. So I apologize for any of that if you guys can't see it clearly. Okay, so now that I've spread a thin layer of clear polygel all over the dual form, I'm going to take some flowers and then just place them in random spots so I can look like the flowers are under a milk bath. And I'm going to take this crystal katana. It's a wax stick and it picks up whatever you're trying to put on your nail. So I'm going to take one of those and then just place the flowers in the dual form where I would like them. So for the nail to look kind of milky, I'm using the blue-green glow-in-the-dark polygel, which is in a white color, and I'm going to be putting that over the flowers so it'll look like the flowers are sitting in something milky and cloudy. Make sure you're fully covering the dual form in a pretty good sized layer, not too thick and not too thin, just so you would cover the flowers up. And this is what the nail looks like once it's been put with the clear flowers and then encapsulated with the milky white. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process for every nail. And then after I finish doing the clear polygel first, the flowers, and then encapsulating it with the milky white polygel, I'll set those dual forms aside. And here's all the dual forms set aside and done. So now that all those dual forms are done, I'm going to take the dual form that is already done. As you can see right there, they're all filled in. And I'm going to place that on my thumb. So when you place it on your thumb, you don't want to push down too hard, but you also want to make sure that it is in place. And please, please, please make sure it's straight before you cure it, because once you put it in that lamp, it's going to cure very fast and you're not going to be able to fix it. And also clean up the underside of the nail with a wet brush so that you can clean up the underside so it won't be so lumpy. As you can see, I'm kind of pressing a little bit to hold my nail so I won't knock it off, because polygel is very movable. So if you press too hard on anything, it'll move out of place. So you have to be very, 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 very careful. Now I'm just going to put it in my mini nail lamp and cure it for 90 seconds. Okay, so here's the nail straight out of the nail lamp. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the dual form, and then yeah, that's what the nail looks like. It still has to be shaped and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat that same process for my whole hand, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done with both hands. Alright, so here are the nails all done but not filed, and in the next clip they'll be filed. And also I have added some rhinestones and stuff. So if you guys want like a detailed tutorial on how to like file and add jewelry, please let me know, because I will do a detailed tutorial on that. Yeah, so here's a couple of videos of the nails bedazzled and filed. I still have to add the top coat for shine. So now I'm going to be taking the Beetles top coat gel, and then I'm going to just apply that to all of my nails. And then after I apply them to all of my nails, I'm going to cure them for 90 seconds. And yeah, I'm going to let you guys just enjoy the process. So here's the final look: top coated, bedazzled, shaped, filed, all of that good stuff. And yeah, I think they look pretty good. I am a beginner, so I'm still learning how to do all this stuff. And here I am curing for a little second to show you guys what the glow looks like. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I love looking at these at night when they're just bright and glowing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to put some more clips of the glowing nails in, and then yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.